Hi guys, today we're gonna open slime and today we're just gonna see the pearl slime. Oh, I can't wait. And excuse me for a moment if I'm blocking the way. Just gonna open it. I can't wait. Okay guys, I tried it and it's so cold. Now let's just get it out. Oh my gosh. Don't mind about my new brother. Just take off these excess because there's so many in slime. I know, but it's so messy when you put it. Oh, there's more. So excuse me for a moment. Now let's play it. Video on, but it's already on. Oh, it's so soft. Eat this cake. No, guys. Cake. What? We have a big. You can see here. I'm just gonna adjust it, guys. Don't worry about it. See? Food stuff. Okay. It's so soft. It's super soft. So guys, did you like my decoration? Was it good? So good. I buy it on SM. So guys, it's so cool. Oh, it's like ultra wear. So guys, anyways guys, bye guys, bye.